That's hot. Look, you want this one down here. 28p. One for you. Go on then. And one for me. 28p.
I want to be taking two.
So we could get 2 meals. One for you and one for me. Bring the pasta, get a free meal. Let's go. Scan your pasta.
Is it for 2, is it? Yes, give me 2 seconds. You want me to take that pasta for you? Thank you very much.
Mine's a little hot at the moment, dude. The steam's coming on my camera. That's hot. Tomato sauce.
This is the best one.
You got the best meal.
That's the best one. Did you know that when you picked it?
No.
It's the best one.
You got the best one. Wow. So we had £1.08 to start off this £1 challenge, as we had some left over from previous. We bought 2 packets of spaghetti for 28p each, which is 56p, which hello, to get our meals. Yeah. So now we have 52p left. So we've just pulled up at a shop and we're gonna see what we can get for 52p for dinner. Apricots for raspberries. Free. They're free. Free. Mental. 20p for olives. I'm gonna trade out the 20p olives for 5p olives. 5p, brilliant. So maybe 1 or 2 packets? 5p, instant noodles. Cool. Back at the Marks and Spencer's, here to grab some more free butter for tonight's dinner. You're absolutely right. No, you're not. Come on, let's go get the butter. Yeah, boy. We got bananas at home, okay? So what did they just do?
Give me bananas.
They gave you a free banana? Yeah. How awesome's that? M&S Cafe. Didn't know you guys gave out free fruit. Brilliant. Like 10 out of 10. What's up guys? Poverty Pete right back on your screens. So, we spent 28p times 2, which is 56p, on 2 packets of spaghetti. That was brilliant. Awesome. So we got some lovely spaghetti and then we traded it for some meals at a restaurant. Granted, the spaghetti could have made more meals, but the food was great and I had a great experience with my son. Now it's time for dinner. So I picked up some 35p noodles from Aldi and then I picked up these. These are olives. I was going to get the 20p pots, which were fresh, but these were 5p each. 5p each. That means that was 45p altogether. Then, if you remember, we also got some yogurts for free, which has been absolutely brilliant. So, 3 yogurts, we spent 10 pence on 2 packets of olives, we spent 35p on noodles, 56 pence on pasta earlier, which we then traded for the restaurant, which brings a grand total of £1 and a penny. Yes, that is over the £1. However, we had £1 and 8p to spend today because we had left over, which leaves a total of 7p left over. But this is the last episode of the series, so we're going to cook a meal. We're going to cook noodles with olives and a couple of other bits that we've picked up from the week. So let's get dinner sorted now. All right. They taste like olives mixed with chili, because that's what they are, but they're good. I love olives. Which I guess is good because my name's Oliver. Oh, that's hot. Oh. Completely forgot I got some mayonnaise to mix in with it. So we'll just do that quickly.